Good morning, family. Today, I wanted to talk to you about something that most people don't even cover in manifestation, and that's empathy over sympathy and the importance of it. The reason you want to empathize over sympathizing is sympathy will trap you in that lack, a state of whatever is going on that you're identifying with. It tells your subconscious, I want more of this in my life. But when you empathize, you empower people. See them thriving. See them heal. It heals you. It thrives your life. It does things magical in your own reality. So the next time you're watching the news and you're seeing bad stories, or there's somebody close to you that needs healing, don't sympathize. Empathize. See them heal. See them thriving. If it's somebody close to you, see them telling you they're healed, that the doctors couldn't find anything wrong anymore. See them telling you this, and you will see that reality. Feel it to be true. Hear their voice. I've seen this work for cancer patients and people with all types of diseases. Now, what works for one does not always work for all, but I have seen this work a lot, more than it has failed for people. Because it trains your subconscious to not identify with it, but to empower it. And by empowering others, you empower yourself. That's the beauty of life. By me investing in you, I invest in myself. By you investing in me and other people, you invest in yourself. So empathize and help people instead of sympathizing and keeping both of you trapped in a loop. Because you're telling yourself, this is okay. I want more of this in my life. Stop it dead in its tracks. Take up this challenge. Put this into practice for 30 days and then come back and comment that nothing changed. It's not going to happen, but take up my challenge. Truly believe and truly apply it. Start to empathize and stop sympathizing. Very important to understand this, family. And I hope this helped y'all to get a better understanding of it. And I hope y'all's day is as beautiful as it is here, bright and sunshine. I love y'all. Walk in abundance. I want nothing for y'all but wealth, health, and success. I truly want to see y'all succeed. That's why I get on here and share these proven techniques that I know can change your life. Stay tuned for the next one, family. I'll see you then. Have a great, wonderful week. Own it. See it, feel it, believe it. Empathize today.